What's good, y'all? So it's Chucky Ill. I'm here at the 1921 print shop, about to do some orders and some printing, and we have a customers. What's up, y'all? It's Chucky Ill at 1921 print shop, and I have a lot of orders to do today. I have mad orders to print using our DTG machine, and we're gonna be packaging, and I have a couple customers stopping by to pick up their orders. So as you guys are watching this video, at the end of it, do not forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends.
As you can see, this table is pretty messy. We're about to fold all this, and this actually needs to be delivered to our customer, and this order is going to need to be printed. Yeah. And these are customers that are picking up the order. Well, these three, and this one needs to be shipped. So now I'm about to upload the design for the DTG machine, and we're going to be printing this design on our orders of hoodies. This is a program that you use for the Epson F2100 DTG machine. And he wants it pretty big on the back of the hoodie, so we're just going to stretch this out and just center it, make sure it's centered.
I'm gonna give y'all some game. So look, a lot of people think they can't DTG on hoodies and really thick fabric, but I'm gonna show y'all a little trick, really a little hack to help y'all be able to do it. So before y'all start doing it, it's like a little lever right here. You lower it all the way down, right? Here, print. Keep your hand on it. Well, I don't give a niggas game. It's crazy. It's gonna go through, because I'm young Chuck. As it's coming back, raise it back up. Boom. Now it's gonna start printing. You're welcome.
So the reason why he does that, because if you put it down to like, there's a little knob, can't really see it. There's a little knob there. It's like numbers like 1 through, I think 8 or 1 through 7. And when you usually do hoodies, you put it like at like 5 or 6 because the garment is so thick. T-shirts, we usually put on like 1 or 2. But in order for the ink to really be super vibrant, what he does is he lowers it down to like 5 or 6, and then once it starts printing, he raises it back up to like 2 or 3 so that it can come out really vibrant. You know you have a good print when all the white is showing pretty good. So it prints the white first, and then it goes back in, and then puts the color on top. It looks really weird that your hand is in the printing machine.
Yeah.
We should show them what we mean, like to like actually put it on 2 so it beeps, and then like show them why you do that.
Yeah.
All right. So the next hoodie, we're gonna show you the reason why he puts his whole arm in the machine Because it kind of looks weird. It kind of looks like you're not supposed to do that.
And then
But he does it all the time.
at the end, we're going to show them what the lever, before we even do it, we're going to show them the lever we're talking about.
Yeah. You see how it comes out really vibrant and colorful? It looks
So
really
you
good.
can print on hoodies. You can print on even the front of the hoodie where it got the pocket. And really do it on where it's a pocket at because it'd be too high. So you can print on the front too.
Yeah, see how it looks really vibrant? Almost like it's screen printing, but it's dark to garment.
That's where that treat comes in.
And then also, you want to tell them the other game, or you don't put it?
Nah, they gotta get that next video.
Oh,
Like
okay.
and subscribe.
So if you want more jewels or gems, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
I'm sure you
We
have
have
vibrant prints every time.
We do need a new table for our heat press.
This
So-
is my great auntie table.
It's antique,
You know what I mean? Been in the family for years. No cap.
vintage. Yeah, we've
Alright,
been
so-
wanting to get a new table, but we're probably gonna get one
boom,
soon.
Take them right here. So look, this is the lever we talking about. See, you really print on like number 2 or for t-shirts, and then like for hoodies and stuff, people print on like 3 and 4. But I like staying on 2 no matter what because that's like the ink get it all the way into the fabric. You know, so I like printing on 2. But this is what I'm saying. When you print on hoodies, what you want to do when you press the start, you lower it down all the way like that. Have it all the way down. See, it's the lowest it can go, right? And then when it comes back into the machine, when it's coming back to print, raise it back up to around 2, 2.5. You know, between 2 and 3, and then it's good, right? So that's how you do it.
So we went to go get some tacos, street tacos. Street tacos are the best kind of tacos, I personally think. They're just so good. I ordered 2 and he ordered 3, but he's about to order 2 more. He must be real hungry.
So I ordered 2 more tacos.
I just told him
Oh, yeah. So today was a good day. Printed went good at the print shop.
Alright, y'all, stick around for the next video if you want to hear more gems. If you want to learn more about
It's crazy
owning
how
a
it's crazy
printing
how
machine
it's crazy.
or embroidery machine.
It's
You
crazy.
have an
Just running a
incoming call.
business.
It's crazy.
Peace.
Hold on, I wanted to say something.
To answer a call, push your voice command
It's all
button.
good. We can just do it. Like we do it over again. Hello.
That's the most tacos I've seen you eat.
It's crazy how can mean so many different things. Say back. Say I got 5 tacos. Say you got 5 tacos. Say it.
I have 5 tacos.
No, say you got 5 tacos.
You have 5 tacos.
Let's say you're gonna hit me in my face.
I'm gonna hit you in your face.
You know what I'm saying?
It's just a change of facial expression. You guys hear you guys see the facial expression. And then the
It's like, alright. If you say something else, I'm like, It's like, yeah. Yeah. I beat you in basketball. Are you going to the basketball game? It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, with that. I'm a hustle, baby. You must not know me, baby. Make sure y'all like and subscribe.